heading to Bellbrook, Ohio for the Trailheadz Hammocks Winter Hang. John and Karen, the owners, invited a bunch of outdoor enthusiasts to their property for a weekend of fun. The temperature is going to dip into the 30s, but I know he has a big campfire. There's going to be some chili, biscuits and gravy, a lot of good food. I'm looking forward to meeting some old friends and new friends. Fessler's coming along. I'm going to meet Alan from Hiking the Second Half of Life, Tony and Missy from Art World Outdoors, and Fred Donaldson's going to be there. So let's get on our way and see what's going on. All right, we're just waiting for Fessler to show up, and just got to do a quick little stream crossing and just a short hike up to camp.
Don't spill your beer. That's the most important thing. There you go, Fessler. Get a conquer that river. Woo! I have my backpack on. No one was down here. I fell.
Well, someone got lost coming here.
I didn't get lost. I just have horrible instructions.
Horrible instructions? It's
Whatever.
pretty simple. All right, we're joined by Fessler here. How you doing?
Hey guys.
And everybody knows Alan.
Hey guys. We're back. The crew's back together again.
Yeah, we're all together. And Fessler has a new nickname. What is it?
Screwball. Screwball. Nice. I like the hat too. Thank you.
We're gonna have a lot of fun. There's a crazy dog. Hey, give me a stick. I just gotta put my YouTube video.
There you go, Bobo. The real name was given to one of the local members, Chris Gherkin.
Oh, yeah?
Well, I assume you can cut and edit with that. You have some kind of program. Do you upload it to a computer or something?
So I literally hiked like 2 miles in the Wildcat, and like no one was there, and I didn't know that who was there. So I went home.
That is nice, though.
Did a 4-mile hike and went home. Well, this summer we got.
All right, I'm gonna give you an overview of our campsite here. You see Alan and Fessler back there. We're all set up. Let's check out the tents. As usual, Alan's rocking out the land stand. Nice pitch and everything. Fessler is in his little Bushnell tent that he uses religiously, don't you?
I do.
And he's getting better at putting it up.
I am.
Yes. I got this new Kelty tent. It's a 2-person tent that I crap. Uh-oh. Just knocked that out of the stake. Don't tell him. Put that back in the ground.
That's what I did the whole time.
Uh-oh. Yeah, that's what happens. You got big feet. I got this tent for my dog, basically, and it's called a Late Start 2 by Kelty, 2-person. I got my sleeping bag in there. It's Outdoor Vitals, Costco quilt for a pillow, big Agnes AXL insulated pad. I'm going to sleep well in here, so that's our tent. This is Tent City.
Tent City.
Yep, that's all hammocks out there. So clearly we are in the minority, but it's all right. Yeah.
He's good man. He's a good guy.
Yep.
Joe.
All right, ready for bed. We had a lot of fun today. Got to meet Fred Donaldson and Dave, Willie Ortiz. He's a lot of fun. Good time with Adam, Fessler, and Alan. So, gonna try to stay warm tonight. So far, not too bad, but we'll see what it's like in the morning. Good night.
Laid it right on my chest.
Yeah.
But literally keeps your whole body warm.
No kidding. Why are you up so early? It's like 5:30.
Because I had to urinate, son. Jeez. Can a man do his deeds?
Jeez. Good morning. It's about 7:45. Just woke up. Well, I woke up several times during the night, but I stayed warm the whole night. Feet were warm. I had no issues with that, but Fessler decided to start putting his tent, tearing his tent down and everything early, because it takes him about 2 hours, but yeah, he's doing all right. That's our campsite. That is an awesome tent, that Kelty. So we're getting a morning visit from Dave. Is Fred sleeping in? Yeah. Awesome.
Welcome to Tent City.
Yep. Tent City, Dave. This is what I slept in last night. Backpack is my pillow. Big Agnes AXL air insulated. Outdoor Vitals 20-degree sleeping bag. This tent is big and spacious, which is one of the reasons I bought it. It is a little heavy. It weighs 4 pounds, but this is for me and my dog. So.
I had a body near me. I really just stepped out of the tent.
Yeah. Alan woke up. How'd you sleep, man?
Slept good.
Fessler, you're over there singing.
I was jamming the music in it. That's all right though.
Let me see that hat, son.
That does look warm.
It's like a cousin Eddie hat, isn't it?
It's my Fargo hat.
All right, come to our friend Willie and his tarp from Trailheadz Hammocks, which is probably one of the coolest tarps out here, isn't it? You get a lot of compliments on that thing?
Yeah, it's a nice tarp. Very nice.
That's pretty sweet. But I know Fred's, I think, wanting to steal this, or I think he's going to have one made, but it's a pretty cool design and everything. And there's the Trailheadz logo, if you can see it. I use a MSR mug mate for my coffee. Basically just put it in the grounds in there, as you can see. Just let it hang out in there for a little bit and get real coffee. No instant coffee here. This guy right here just made homemade biscuits and gravy.
Morning.
Look at that.
I'm putting fried eggs in mine.
Fried eggs? Oh man.
That is nice.
Yeah, it is.
That was in May.
Family.
She's like, you need to change
They were just playing.
Just put the burner on the bottom of the canister for a minute.
Yeah, so we hijacked Fred and brought him back to Tent City. We're trying to corrupt him into being a ground dweller, because, I mean, who would not want to stay on the ground when it's freezing out? So, did you have a good time, Fred?
Yes, I did. I
Yeah.
wasn't cold.
No?
Had my hammock gear under quilt and my Perea over quilt, and I was in good shape. But it is true, I do have one of these Lanshan 3s as well, so I occasionally go to the ground.
Yeah. We had some good chili last night. Somebody surprised us with chili and everything. So,
It's good chili.
yeah, and we got to meet Dave, which was pretty cool.
Yeah. They had pork loin too.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
That was amazing. I mean, shoot, I had a piece like that big around.
30 pounds of pork loin he brought in. So,
Yeah, man, oh man. Oh, really?
yeah, man. You got any trips planned this year?
Pictured rock probably be the biggest thing I do.
Yeah?
And then I'm gonna just do some little ones. Plan on going back up to my mother-in-law's farm. Probably do a cow run shot too. I missed the one a couple weeks ago because I got caught in the storm north of it. So I'm probably gonna go there. And my daughter said she might go with me, and
Cool.
that would be the first time we've been hiking since she's had cancer. So
No.
she's feeling better, and so that's we're gonna try to do that maybe even yet this spring.
I hope you guys do that trip.
Yeah, I
That'd
do
be
too.
awesome.
I do.
Hope to go on some trips with you, Fred.
Yeah.
All right.
I hope so.
Thanks, man. You got it, man. Yeah.
Did it, Alan? You brought it
Breaking down camp right now. Getting a little help from Willie. So it's cool meeting Willie. How long you been backpacking for?
A little over a year.
Awesome.
Yeah.
He's told me he's from New York City, and you don't get this around New York City, do you?
No.
Your first?
There's, hiking up there, but
Yeah. Where's your first trip at?
car camping at Allen Creek.
Yeah.
No air, man. That was a backbreaker.
How about your backpacking? First backpacking?
First backpacking, Zaleski.
Oh man, was that tough?
Yeah, it was.
We all say the same thing about Zaleski, don't we, Alan? Alan, how was your first time at Zaleski?
First time ever, and I have a video, and I'm huffing and puffing and dying.
Mine was too. It is August, miserable, getting bit up by mosquitoes. I thought this is never going to end. So awesome meeting you, man. Thanks for hanging out with us. Loaded up, and gonna cross the stream here. We're gonna head out and get some lunch. We're gonna check out Great Miami Outfitters, a local outdoors store. So.